If someone is interested in business applications, if they are interested in knowing how they can utilize these tools beyond the textbook into real life scenarios, I think this program is good for them. Typically, the cohort that we get here is a mix. We get some very young people, we get some very senior people. And that we have found it to be extremely helpful for this program. The senior people bring in the expertise, their knowledge and their business sense. The younger people bring on the table their enthusiasm for technology and being conversant with the current concepts. And one of the reasons why we have not offered this program on a D2D mode is to keep that. Okay, so we want people to interact. We want them to come to the center, talk to one another, interact about learning. Over the last 5 batches, we have seen that it has been successful in delivering some value to our participants. The participants can tell how much value they've got, but from what I get, from what I hear from them once in a while on the job enhancements that they're getting or new opportunities that they are getting, that gives me a good feeling that possibly they were able to extract a significant value out of this program.